Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I just wanted to do a craft with me. I wanted to put a project together with these leftover pieces that I had cut out from previous projects and just continue, use up what I already cut, because it's such a waste if I don't. And this little heart, this glitter heart here, that came from packaging from Urban Gems, who's Nurse Tara. That was on one of my packages for my order. And I figured I'd pull it out and save it. So I'm going to put it into a Memdex card. I cut this one out in a previous project. I didn't end up using it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some of these pieces together. This is a KS Craft. Actually, it's not a KS Craft. This is a die I found on Amazon. I've already shared this on my haul. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm going to use some of my Barely Arts, and I think I'm going to put you guys on time lapse so that we can just speed up the process, because I know it gets boring a little bit. So, or maybe not, I don't know. When I go back to edit, if it seems a little boring, then I will probably speed up the video. But yeah, we'll just go from here. And whatever it is whatever it is. Anyway, I'm still crafting Valentine's, so I'm happy about this project. And just put these dies to use, there's no point in wasting. All right, so I also have these are the negative pieces from my die cutting, and I think I want to glue these two together. Maybe not. It's not going to fit on this one. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. So I'm going to use some foam. Let's figure this out, how we're going to put this together. I want some of these hearts on here, and probably add this one just a little off center. It's hearts, but I want to, there you go. All right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to layer up some of this foam at the back. Got the glue gun ready. And also I was cleaning up my room, and this is some rosettes and bows, mini bows, and this little pinwheels here. It's little stuff that were gifted to me, and I'm going to see if I could try to work it into my Memdex card. So we shall see. I want to put all of it to use. Yeah, just like that. So with this, let's see. I'm not a fast crafter. I'm very, very slow. And I want to make sure this thing will sit right. So another piece. And these are all my scraps from the previous projects. So just to make sure everything stays put. Sorry about the noise. I emptied out some of my containers, so I got to use my new storage that I got from Dollar Tree, and hopefully I'm happy with it, not have to move everything around again. We'll see. Speaking of move, we're going to be moving, and that's also another thing. I want to make sure that these pieces don't come up, fall open or all that good stuff. Let me just double check. Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to avoid there, but we'll come up with something. All right, I'm going to put this guy and double up this foam. I'm going to use this on one side of my heart. I'm trying to make it a quick project, but I told you I'm not a fast crafter. And I wanted to use this up because otherwise it would go to the trash, and I don't want to do that. So I need one more piece of foam, just like that. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't glue it down. Well, darn. I'm just gonna have to use some. I'm gonna have to use some creative way to cover that up. We shall see. Okay, and I need one layer of foam right here. you guys. So I bought a planner. It's so weird to me, but I need it for our upcoming move. And so I've got to get busy putting the plan to paper. Otherwise, it'll be a waste. Okay, just like that. Oh, that looks so cute already. Oh, isn't that cute? I hope I was in frame. I think it's cute. And I'm using up my paper stash, and it's not going to go in garbage. And I think with the back, I think I could use this. That will, no. Trying to find a way to cover that up, but it looks like I'm going to have to layer on some parts. That's okay. We're going to work it out. Okay. So the next one I want to add is this one, but I want to put it up. Yeah, just like that. I'm using the really thick foam. We'll see. Guys, I sound tired because I am. Spent the whole day cleaning up my craft room. Ouch. Ouch. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is cleaning up my craft room. And now that I finally got it clean, I'm trying to play in it. You know how that goes. It just gets a mess. But it is what it is. Playing it as much as I can, as much as possible. Because once we move, oh boy, who knows when I'll get it back up and running again. So, yeah, I think that'll, it's a little too much right there. There we go. Yep, much better. Yay, I like that. All right. So now this is regular cardstock, and I need this to be stronger. So, whoops. I might cover this up. Let's see. Done this thing. Nope. I should just cut it out again with my Cricut, but I'm too lazy. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna trace this up. All right, guys. So I traced it. I covered the back with some red cardstock. Yes, I'm gonna cover up the pretty back of the Memdex card, but I'd rather it be sturdy than just a piece of flimsy paper. So it looks like I have a lot of glue here, but I want it to stay, and I don't want to use hot glue, so that is that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and hopefully get it pressed on there really good. I have glue all over my fingers. All right. It's a little on the lopsided, but it's okay. When you do things backwards, what do you expect? I mean, but do your best, and then you can trim away whatever excess. So now I'm going to use my hole puncher to get the holes onto this inside. Since I cut this out with my Cricut, it's not going to look exactly like that, but that's okay. Hole puncher, a regular Dollar Tree hole puncher, and this is how I like to do it. These are really big holes, but if it helps stay in place, right? That's all we want. Okay. Alrighty, some scissors. Of course, it doesn't look exactly like the card, but that's okay. What do you think handmade means, right? Okay, just clean up my edge just a little bit, cutting it down. That's okay. And there you go. Cut this a little bit. And that is better than I expected, but that's okay. It is what it is. I'm going to use my hole puncher to make it look a little neater. It's hard to see. There you go. Looks like a big shark bite. I'm just trying to follow the line of the top paper. So it looks like that. But you turn it around, it looks like that. Janky. That's okay. It's okay. All right, clean this up. Took me a minute to get that all worked out and do stuff backwards. So this is good enough for me. I'm going to just clean this up right here. Okay. And then I'm going to add some more embellishments. Okay. I'm going to take this little heart from Nurse Tara. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And we're going to use some of this extra stuff from our other friends. And I don't remember who gifted this to me. Ouch, ouch. Darshana, my space at my pace. Yes. Yes, girl. That's what I'm talking about. So not all of it is from her, but I know these little itty bitty pieces are definitely from her. They're not quite, let me see. Use one of these dresses. That looks pretty close, pretty darn close to Doodlebug. And I have rosettes here and those. Let's see. Get this dual heart on. Get this going. This one might be too tiny. Okay, rethink. Here we go. Yeah, that's a little better. That's a little better. All right, let's glue this heart down so we can make a decision already. Okay, just random. Don't have an exact spot. These are a little better used when you have the what is it called? What is it called? Can't think. Oh, I can't think. I wanted some foam to the dress. It was some kind of tape. I forgot what it's called. Because I'm trying to do something and I can't remember how to think. Think. Put that pretty thick foam. 5mm. Oops. Add that to our little rosette. Add the rosette to our card. And glue. These little tiny rosettes I made. Those are in my stash. Those are in they made with crepe paper. Okay. Let's see. Happy Day. She has some mini folders that she made. Look at this little thing. Isn't that cute? Imagine and hugs. And she also has thank you and happy day. These teeny tiny little look like manila folders to me. That looks cute. I think. We'll see. We'll come back to that. So use her fun little pinwheel. Doesn't matter to me, the colors. It's just cute. I'm trying to add some fun stuff to it. I want to use up her stuff and try to use it. I'm going to add, oops. Let me see. I know I had some, let's go with some satin flowers. Just add some flowers here. I need to get a saying going here. Pink bow. I still want a bow. I still want a bow. Let's see. Hold on. Let's grab some words. Sentiments. I'll put this bow down. This teeny tiny bow is from Walmart. Actually, no, this is, where did these come from? I think these came from a kit. I don't remember. It might be from Rhoda, but look at this. Let me find some sentiments here. I have this in my stash. I always say I don't have any, and then I turn around and just prove myself wrong. Like, hello. How about sweet? Everything is on this heart, though. I don't know. These are from Nurse Tara. Paper hugs. How about that? Ooh, that's cute, too. But it's so huge. It takes over the whole thing. I love it, though. Oh my gosh, if only they were smaller. And that paper, this really is super cute. Paper hugs. Should I cover that? And it matches the glitter, because this is from Nurse Tara. This is the same glitter paper. Man, should I cover that up? Ooh, look at that. Blinded by the light. Are you blind yet? Are you blind? Oh my gosh, I love that, though. Oh, hell. I'm going to use it. I'm just going to use it. Go for it. We're just going to glue it down. Call it a done deal. Right there. Paper hugs. Girl. Ridiculous. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull out that second pinwheel. And just add it down here. Or add it up here. Yeah, then add it to the top. It is very heavy one-sided, but who cares? Who really cares? I love that bow. Sorry, guys. I'm just playing here and I don't know what I want. Can you still read that it says paper hugs? Okay, I think I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Some more paper flowers. How's that? There. I think that's better. Floof it up a little. Get some stickles on it, and we're going to call it a done deal. And there goes that gem. Get back on there. There you go. I think that's good. Fluff these little babies up. I love it when it's crunched up. No. There we go. That looks better. I think that is it. We are done with this bad boy. And I used several pieces, leftovers, pieces that were gifted to me. Let's get some stickles on here. And then we can call it done. I'm going to put the pink stickles on this heart garland that we got from our die. I don't know if it's a heart garland, but we're going to call it that. And we're not going to touch this for a whole day. And you could also use glossy accents. You don't have to. Whoops. And then we can let it sit. You know, you could keep on going. You could pull out the jemmies and, you know, whatever, eyelets and all that stuff. Oh, that looks so much better. And do whatever, anything. Look at that, is cute. All right, I'm going to leave it flat here on my table so it can dry up a little bit. And hopefully dry flat. Oh, I love the pink stickles. I don't know why I haven't used it in a minute. That is cute. We're gonna leave it alone. And yeah, guys, thank you all for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next video. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I'm still crafting away. I love doing the Memdex cards. I'm hoping that you guys tag me if you guys do any of them, make any of them, and let me know down below if you guys have tried to open up that file that I shared with everyone for my Memdex file. It's for Cricut. You Cricut users, or even if you're not a Cricut user, maybe you guys could figure out a way to use it. But this is my file that I created. And yeah, just let me know, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.